hi to everybody, Elijah.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. We are out of here, y'all. We are on our way to Walmart. And we are on our way. We are going to go to, let me turn this down for you guys. We are on our way to Walmart. Yeah. All right, guys. I showing you guys what I got. I'm sorry, I got the shade. So I got some of these. They are
flowers. Flowers.
I can't. Oh, daffodils.
What?
Pollinators, perennial. Oh, irises. I'm sorry. Okay. I got assorbics, yellow and pink chicks mix. I got a couple of those right here. And then I got some sorbet yellow. I got 2 roses. Let me show you guys my roses. I got this, and that is a pink miracle. And then I got a soul desire. And then I got, let me show you what I got for the yard. Some tools. So I got the Gilmore Flat Soaker for the garden. And then I got a new sprayer because I broke the last one. And I also got, well, he got some work gloves. And then I got some, a manifold, 4 ways brass manifold for the water hose. And then I got a new 100-foot water. See that? 100-foot water hose. Alright guys, this is how the purple ones look. They are planted. So I'm about to do these little ones in the front and fill them in real nice and thick. I'll be back in a second. Good morning, everybody. It is early Sunday morning. I just wanted to show you guys my flower bed. I put my fence up. I'm about to put mulch in here all the way down. I'm about to put mulch out there. Look guys, some of them are on. Y'all see them? Can you see? They are on all the way down there. And these are all lit. Oh, it's turning out awesome. Then look at this nosy boy. And that nosy boy. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching.